So basic PPE requirements on site are generally safety boots, a high visibility vest and a hard hat. But that could change down to a site specific task. So for instance, if we was cutting pipe, we may need the addition of gloves and safety goggles. And if we're creating any dust during the day, then we'd have to introduce a dust mask as well. Now that information is easily readable for anyone new to the industry. Your site manager or supervisor will always be at hand to give you a toolbox talk on your site specific task, or indeed you can find the information out in your risk assessments and method statements. So around the construction site, we would normally have 4 types of signs. So we've got prohibition, mandatory, safe condition and hazard signs. The mandatory signs are generally blue and they'll be your PPE signs, and it'll be very easy to identify. It'll be a blue background with maybe a white picture of a hard hat. Then we move on to our prohibitions, which there must not. So easiest way to describe one of those is, your circular non-smoking sign, which is red and then with the line going through it. Safe condition signs, green, a bit like the traffic light system, and they'll be used around walkways and safe routes. And then your hazard signs, which will be yellow, normally a triangle, just warning of you of any hazards within the area and the activity that you're doing.